Hello, my name's Joanne Smith. I'm the principal of Sacred Heart Boys Primary School in North Belfast, and we have recently installed a sensory path for the children in our main corridor. We have a starting point, we have an end point, we have various activities as they go through. The sensory paths are an item that is very popular at the minute, and there are a lot of companies out there that are producing the sensory paths at the minute. And I have to say, we have used Learning Space before for our sensory room, and they have been outstanding in their guidance, the design, follow-up care, follow-up if there's a problem, and it has been the same with the sensory path. It has been high quality goods that have been put out and designed in I suppose, an easy format for our children. It's a good understanding of our children, and also the fact that Lorraine herself has been a previous teacher has definitely had an input into the design and the outcome of our sensory path. And it has been individual pieces as opposed to block pieces, which is what we had liked about it. You know, we can design, we can move it, we can change it, and we can add on to it, and there's lots of options. It's not just individual repetitive options, there's lots of different options. And again, I can't speak highly enough about Learning Space, the professionalism and the time, the dedication, in order to make sure that what they put in is excellent standards and exactly what we wanted.